What's up guys, it's Andy here with the E36 1JZ. Gonna install some RTABs today. I haven't done them yet on the car, they're still stock and they kind of provide really weak suspension setup. I also just did the camber arms a little bit ago because I've done like 5 or 6 drift events on the car and the tire wear has been awful. I can actually show you that right here. As you can see, I'm only wearing about half the tire on all of these, and that's no bueno. We need all the grip, all the tire, lasting long as much as we can. So we're gonna fix the alignment in the rear and just get some new bushings in there to try to tighten things up, add some grip to the car, and keep partying. Anyways, here are the RTABs. They're pretty sick. They're made by NerpTech, and I actually love the design and I love NerpTech's products. I have their camber arms as well, and yeah, they're two-piece design. They come undone with these Allen bolts, and I won't go too in depth because NerpTech himself has a video. Look at that little piece right there. On installing these, but I figured I could give you guys a quick rundown of the car, what's changed. So I got the car fully caged, FD spec cage with the intrusion bars you can see down there. Excuse the crappy cage paint job, I did it myself and it's a pain in the ass. But it was done by Imagine Garage. If you guys don't know, that's Rome Charpentier. He's the new guy in FD Pro 1 this year, and he's in an E36 as well. He's absolute shredder, and it was real cool to get the cage done by him. He knocked it out in like record time for a cage. I also got a new Sparkle seat. That's about all that's changed, I think, since the last time I saw you guys. But yeah, let's get to the RTABs. Alright, so for RTABs, there's not a whole lot to it. I mean, you just jack up the car, support your trailing arm, and the RTAB is sitting right in there. There's only 3 bolts that hold the RTAB carrier and to the trailing arm and to the chassis. You do those, get the bushing out with a tool or a press, put the new bushing in and bolt it back up, go for an alignment. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is pushing out the bushing with this tool. I got it from T-Bone. I rented it through E36 forums. We have a new forum because M3 forum went down. But yeah, I'm pushing it out with this tool. Basically, this holds it right, this pushes it in as I crank down. It's working really well. I'm actually super impressed with this tool. Alright guys, I stopped filming for a bit because I went to eat. The bushing is all installed now. It was kind of a pain in the ass, mostly because these are kind of meant to be pressed on with a vise. And I didn't use a vise, I used that RTAB tool that everybody rents. which doesn't really work out too great with the the two-piece design of these RTABs. So but anyway, we got it going on, and just got to do the other side and go get that alignment.